Hey guys, this is Yu, welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to connect your iPhone to the MG4 screen using the Apple CarPlay function. I'll explain how to set it up, how to initialize, how to connect, and how to use all the basic features. As always, you can find the timestamps down below if you want to skip forward. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like. Alright, for what you need, obviously first thing is an iPhone, second thing is a cable. So this particular cable has to be iPhone genuine cable or MFI certified, so made for iPhone specifically. You can buy aftermarket one, but you have to make sure they are good quality. If you buy a cheap knockoff one and it's not certified by iPhone, it's not going to work, or at least it's not going to work really well. The MG4 system can only support wired connection for the Apple CarPlay. There are some aftermarket wireless adapters that you can use to get rid of this cable. That means your phone can sit on the pad freely. I'll do some reviews in the future if I have got a good product to show you. Next small thing you wish to do is to activate your Siri or check your Siri connection. So all you need to do is to go into the settings and then go up. We'll find Siri and search. In the Siri and search, you can see the second one, press side button for Siri. Sometimes if you still have the old home phone, it will say press home button for Siri. You always have to make sure this is enabled, this is selected. If you do not select Siri, if the Siri is not enabled on your phone, you cannot use Apple CarPlay screen at all. And next part is obviously the connection. First thing, you want to connect your USB underneath on the left cord. That's the standard USB-A. Next, you want to plug it into your phone. Obviously, your cord can run through the center console if you wish. This demonstrator, I won't show you that. Once it's connected, it will ask you, do you want this particular screen to access your phone while the phone is locked? If you allow it, that means even if your phone is locked, it's going to show Apple CarPlay screen anyway. If you do not allow it, that's totally fine. When you unlock the phone, it will show. But when you lock the phone, when you plug in, it's not going to show straight away until you lock the phone. I'll do allow, so that's totally fine. Alright, once it's connected, this is how your iPhone screen looks like. If it doesn't show this automatically, that's fine. Just click home button. When you are in the home, you can find Apple CarPlay icon light up. Click the Apple CarPlay. Now, this is how the screen looks like. You can use this as a home button. You can swipe left or right to see all the apps and settings that's available for the Apple CarPlay. For example, we're in this particular screen, I can just press the icon and I can go into this particular app. To go back home again, either press the home button or press the MG logo. That leads us back to the home screen. And once you're on the system, you have quite a few ways to activate Siri command. One way is to push and hold this home button. Then they will engage, they will listen to whatever you speak. Alternatively, while you drive, you don't have to keep your fingers on the screen. You can just push and hold the voice command button to engage the Siri, just like that. And the last way is to go into your settings. If you go into the setting and find the Siri and search, and to enable the first one, it's called the listen to Hey Siri. That means if you speak out Hey Siri, right now it's already popped up. That means whenever you drive, you just say, Hey Siri, what's the weather like?
It's currently windy and 18 degrees. Expect cloudy skies starting tonight. Today's high will be 20 and the low will be 13 degrees.
Just like that. That's how to use the Siri command. You can do a lot of things. You can ask Siri to make a phone call to someone, send a text message to someone, give you a calendar, or set an alarm, whatever. It will do whatever the Siri can do on your smartphone while you drive. So very cool. Next, I'll quickly show you how to use most of the functions. First thing, on the left, it will show you information and show your favorite navigation system. Right now, we used Google Map last time, so this one shows the Google Map. Otherwise, we can go right. And then on the top three bars, show you the most recent apps that you used. Navigation, music, and phone call or messages, whichever you used. Sometimes it'll show WhatsApp, sometimes it'll show the iPhone map, sometimes shows the Spotify music. Again, whichever you like. To make a phone call, you just simply go to the phone menu, and there you can find the keypad, you can find the contacts, you can find the recent, you can even find the favorites. Whichever you select on your phone, you can see everything around here. For the keypad, you can dial a number. Recent, you can just press the name or press the letter. Contacts, you can go up and down to click the name to call someone directly. If someone is calling in, it'll give you a notification on the top. You just press answer to answer the call, or press the phone button on your steering to answer the call. Again, push and hold the phone button allow you to cancel the call if you wish. Music, basically whatever music you have in your phone, download it or upload it, you can see the music. Next is the inbuilt maps. Some people like it, some people don't like it. It's up to you. So all you need to do, once you're in the map, you can go up and down to change your zoom in, zoom out. You can click this 3D, 2D for your direction, for your look. You can press this to follow your driving direction or follow the north direction, whichever you like. Then you can press the search. When you search, you have two ways to search the address. One way is to speak. This is the speech. All you need to do, just click, speak out whatever the address you wish, then it will type the address for you, or even point of interest like movie, theater, whatever. Then what you can do, type the digits. You can just press the keyboard, then type whatever you like to search an address. Alternatively, you can also see all the recommendations for POI around you. You can also do destinations. That means whatever you saved at home and work will show up on the list. Next one, you can see the messages. You can see what your messages are. You can see who sent you a text recently. And if you do want to connect to someone or quickly send a message to someone again, you just press their name, then it will send a message. If there are dots on the left, that means they are unread. All you need to do, just press them to quickly read out the message for you. If someone sent a text message, you can click the information, it'll read out the message. Very simple. Now playing, let's connect to the music again, so nothing to worry about. MG is to going back to home screen. Calendar, again, you can see your calendar, you can see your notification about the calendar notification if you wish to. Next, we have the settings. Under the settings, there are quite a few things. First one is called driving focus. If you enable the driving focus, that means some random alerts, let's say on your messages or anything like that, will not be showing up on the notification. And then only the phone call will only be showing just like that. So that's up to you really. And we have announced messages. You can do announced messages, so it's going to read out the message for you, or disable it, so it's not going to read out the message for you. Appearances, you can do always automatic. That means switching on the lights, it's going to go dark. Switching off the light, it's going to go off. Then if you go dark, it's going to go dark. Always dark. You can also allow the show maps always dark as well. This is whatever you prefer. Next, we have wallpaper. You can change whatever you like on the wallpaper. Let's say the full blue wallpaper, just press set, it will set. Siri and suggestions, sometimes it will give you notification suggestions if you use this, otherwise it's up to you. Last one, show album art. Just when you play music, it will show the art, whichever you like. Next part will be the Google Map. If you wish to use Google Map, all you need to do, just click the search. Same as the iPhone map, you can do keypad, press this. You can type an address particular way if you wish, or use the voice command. This voice command is separate from the Siri command. You have to tap this, then speak out wherever you want to go, just like that. You can do recent searches, you can do home and work, and all they are saved address. If you saved anything on your phone, you can go them directly. It'll show the on-time traffic. You can also do settings to change a few things if you wish. That's pretty much the basic features about most of the apps over here. Next, I'll show you how to line up those functions on your phone. So you can line up different locations. Let's say you prefer phone to be close to your driver's side, you can do that. You won't be able to do that on the screen, you have to go into your phone. So first, we want to go to the settings and we want to type CarPlay on your top. You can see under the general, there are CarPlay settings. When you are in the CarPlay, you find the first one, Psych 1.0, which is this particular device. And then we can customize. You can do other things if you wish, but we don't need to do that. We just customize. Under the customize settings, you have a few things. First is reset. We'll reset the factory, whichever you like. Next is to show you all the apps that's supporting Apple CarPlay over here. On the left, if you find the dots, that means you can delete certain apps not showing on the screen. If I delete WhatsApp, I'm going to remove. That means WhatsApp is not going to show on my screen. Just like that, the WhatsApp is gone. I can delete WeChat as well, so I will click WeChat, remove. That means WeChat is not going to show on this particular screen. Instead, your WeChat is still going to be on your phone. Don't worry, you can still use that function. Then next, you can line up these features. Let's say I want the phone to be next to Google Map. That means I'll drag the phone and it'll go all the way down to Google Map. You can see the phone now moved to Google Map. You can do whatever you like, line up all these things to even first and second page, whatever you like you want to do. If you don't want to do anything, or if you regretted doing anything, just press reset, and that'll go back to whatever original start will be in the automatic settings screen. Sometimes it may not show straight up, sometimes you have to unplug and replug the phone again to reconnect, then it will show the new sort of orientation, but that's how that works. Alright, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the channel, hope you enjoyed the contents. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe and like. I will see you next video.